Bicol Express. Delicioso. It's not focusing. Bicol Express. Make your own.
Look at that. That's the one. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Love, like, share, wherever you wanna do.
Subscribe.
About the origin, like many of notable dish, Bicol Express is tied to a lot of legend. The most common story attribute the Bicol Express and the name of it to a Laguna native who grew in Bicol and moved to Manila. Was a woman called Silay Calao. Growing up in Naga City, Calao was influenced by the use of coconut milk and chili, really popular in the region. When she moved to Manila in a competition on the 1960 or 1970, she created apparently this beautiful dish. About the name, trying to determine the name of this dish, the brother of Calao heard the sound of the Filipino National Railway passing through the restaurant of Calao going to Manila. The train was following the route Manila-Legazpi. That event inspired Calao to name this dish Bicol Express. And that's it.
We are here at Chef Doy's Gourmet Restaurant. It's the first time I'm ever gonna try Bicol Express here in Bicol. Oh my god, this is so good.
I thought you will say something first.
No. Super simple dish again, expressing the Bicol region product, that means coconut, full of coconut and chili, and of course the classic flavor of Philippine pork, garlic, ginger, and of course shrimp paste. Yeah, always. About the ingredient, what I say, simple, but let's pick about
1 kilo of pork belly, 3 green long chilies, 3 red Thai chilies, 1 piece of ginger, 1 medium onion, 1 cup of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of our bagoong or shrimp paste, and salt and pepper to taste.
About the coconut milk, of course, you can buy the grated one, the fresh one, soak it and after squeeze all the juice, or buy the best you can find. This is the finest, heart's finest coconut milk, organic, beautiful product.
Bicol Express is a dish that is loved throughout the Philippines. It's absolutely beautiful, one of my favorite local dishes. It consists of like a really thick coconut gravy, a little bit of vegetables, some shrimp paste, and all that is brought together by deep pork fat. Unfortunately, the dish can get quite heavy quite quickly, so let's go see how it's made so that we can come back here in the kitchen and figure out if we can make a healthier version.
What to say?
Super simple step or something like that.
Again, the steps are so simple. So we cut the pork into this pieces, as you can see. Garlic, just chop it like the normal, like the usual. The onion slice, the ginger, like this. The chilies and the green chilies and red chilies are just cut into normal size. Oops. It's super simple. We just have to fry the pork with the oil until it's golden brown, then set aside. Next will be saute the garlic, the onion, and the ginger. Then put back the pork, and then we add our chilies and the bagoong, which is the shrimp paste, and then the coconut until it's tender.
We reduce the fire and we simmering. The whole process will take around 40 minutes. Of course, need to boil a little bit slow fire and tenderize the pork, of course. And after, all the meat and the coconut milk and all the ingredients, they combine together in this beautiful dish. What we want at the end is this consistency, silky cream infused with pork that is really a typical texture of this beautiful Bicol Express dish. Again, sound like a Filipino version of a curry, but without the curry, of course. And look at that. You see? Creamy, tender pork in beautiful coconut cream. Unbelievable.
And this is what you want.
And time to plate. Of course, as usual, supposed to go with rice. Every Filipino dish or Asian dish are going with rice. And let's try this beauty. Look at that.
Hot, full of chilies.
Very nice texture, super creamy. I don't like the shrimp paste, but in this case it's really balanced with the ginger, the garlic and the rest, and maybe the coconut milk. Super spicy, but that is what we want. Go ahead again. Amazing, really. Beautiful, beautiful flavor, super simple, make your own.
And make sure you will have your rice ready because you will eat a lot.
A lot. Very nice.
You liked it? Bicol Express. Delicioso.
Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Love, like, share, wherever you wanna do.
Subscribe.